Linc Oceanic Wave Gel pen cost rupees 5. This pen is a cute little pen at this price point rupees 5, which is very famous or a very successful pen from Linc Oceanic Wave Gel. Slim body, plain design, transparent blue color for blue ink. Nice writing pen, which is an alternate to fountain pens. Comes with arrow tip refill, Linc Oceanic Wave Gel written in the refill itself. Comes with a white color refill and ink indicator is also available. Nice design, plain design, looks cute. Nice pen at this price point rupees 5. It is worthy. We already know that Linc is the brand which markets Uniball in India. This pen looks very cute in hand, a nice design, a worthy pen at this price point rupees 5. Students, it is a very successful pen among students. This pen writes slim, dark blue color for a gel pen. Nice pen to use in exams too. And regarding the quality of the paper, it should be a thick paper to use this pen, otherwise it may get back compression. It takes some time to dry, so we can't expect much more than this from a 5 rupees pen. Waterproof, medium to waterproof. Altogether a nice pen at this price point rupees 5. Linc Oceanic Wave Gel. Thanks for watching.